Placing laundry next to the kitchen saves time and keeps busy families moving smoothly. Start by deciding whether to stack or place machines side by side based on your space and ergonomics. Stacking conserves floor area, but raises the dryer door height, so include a step or lower pedestal for easier access if you have shorter family members. Plan a dedicated folding counter at waist height that spans at least 3 feet to reduce bending and keep clean dishes and folded clothes in one flow. Consider a laundry chute that opens into a lockable bin or sorting drawers to prevent loose clothing from dropping into food prep areas and to keep kids from accessing high heat appliances. Install a deep utility sink with a high arc faucet and rinse spray to treat stains and clean oversized items without tracking water through the kitchen. Prioritize venting that goes direct to outside with smooth metal ductwork and minimal bends to prevent moisture buildup that could affect kitchen cabinets and indoor air quality. Add soundproofing around the laundry closet using mass-loaded vinyl or extra drywall layers and a solid core door to keep conversation and television noise unaffected while machines run. 3 things commonly cause problems are poor ventilation, insufficient workspace, and noise bleeding into living areas. If vents are too long or flexible, the dryer will work inefficiently and lint will accumulate, so reroute to the shortest straight run possible and clean annually. People underestimate folding and sorting space, which leads to laundry piling on counters and tables. Carve out a continuous counter zone near the machines and incorporate removable hampers or built-in sorting drawers for immediate organization. Noise and vibration will annoy family members when machines sit on hard kitchen floors. Use anti-vibration pads, check that machines are level, and build an insulated enclosure or locate the machines behind a solid door to muffle sound. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners explore practical kitchen-adjacent laundry designs and connect with local contractors who can execute plumbing, venting, and cabinetry work. Our site also helps contractors find homeowners with projects and includes an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real-world installations.